Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the recess cover and display enclosure. Removal. Carefully disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board and remove it from the adhesive on the right speaker. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the solid-state drive to the display panel assembly. Grasp the solid-state drive by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Place the solid-state drive in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Grasp the solid-state drive by the edges and remove it from the static dissipative bag. Align the notch in the solid-state drive with the key in the solid-state drive slot on the system board. Gently insert the solid-state drive into its slot on the system board. Replace the 3mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the solid-state drive to the display panel assembly. Carefully connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board and apply pressure to it to adhere it to the right speaker.